Hi, I'm Kristen from Kristen's Peppermints and Cherries blog, and today I'm sharing with you a new muffin recipe. This recipe is a replacement for the chocolate cranberry oatmeal muffins that used to be on the blog. That recipe was filled with a lot of added sugar. It had a lot of white sugar, cranberries, and of course sugar from the chocolate chips. So I have replaced that recipe with a little bit healthier recipe. As my family's baker and cook, I'm always looking for ways to make recipes that taste good, but that offer a little bit more healthy ingredients. So this recipe today, cinnamon oatmeal raisin muffins, sweetened with fruit, gives you just that. So it has bananas in it, it has raisins, it also has some oranges or tangerines, either one, and then it has a little bit of unsweetened applesauce. And I did use about a third cup of coconut sugar in the recipe. So it's not entirely sweetened with fruit, but it is mainly sweetened with fruit. And this just helps us to have a little bit more nutrients and vitamins in the recipe rather than a lot of added sugars. So I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will try it out and let me know if you like it. It is a really wholesome muffin recipe. It's very filling, so it will be a perfect addition to your breakfast menu or either as an afternoon snack. So let me know in the comments what you think. And here are the ingredients and the steps for making it.
For a full list of ingredients, please visit my blog peppermintsandcherries.com. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a muffin tin. Add eggs, melted butter, melted coconut oil, Greek yogurt, bananas, tangerines, applesauce, and vanilla. Blend in blender until ingredients are liquid and well mixed. Then add coconut sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Blend until combined with the liquid mixture. Add oats, flour, raisins, and coconut flakes. Stir ingredients until they are distributed and the muffin mixture forms. Once you have added the oats, flour, raisins, and coconut flakes, and you have stirred the ingredients, you'll then want to add a tiny bit of water to thin out the thickness of the muffin mixture. Transfer the mixture to the muffin tin and bake for 20 minutes in the oven. Remove the muffins from the oven and allow them to cool a few minutes before removing from the muffin tin. Enjoy!